Good morning, dear students. And before we begin today's class, I hope you remember in the last online class we had completed reading The Clever Fox and the Greedy Wolf. Again, I'm doing a reminder. You all have to read the chapters daily now. In the morning you read, in the evening you read, but your reading of the chapters have to be regular. It has to be done daily. Please remember, if you're not following the rules that Neha ma'am is asking you to do, I will be asked to inform principal ma'am that I will not be scoring you for your reading practices, because I can clearly see that not everybody is reading. Today, before we go ahead and solve the worksheet of the Naughty Monkey, we will first revise our poem. Now we are 6. In the next online class, which will be held on Monday for our English class, I will be asking this poem to everyone. Remember, this poem will be asked to everyone. So please make sure that you're all revising the poems, and I can ask any poem, but for Monday I will be asking this, so you need to learn it by heart by Monday. Now we are 6. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. But now I am 6. I am as clever. So I think I'll be 6 now, forever and ever. Once again. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. But now I am 6. I am as clever, so I think I'll be 6 now, forever and ever. Remember, you can add your tune to this poem. I have given you that liberty, but learning the poem for the coming online session on Monday, the next Monday, I will be asking you this. So keep all of these things ready, and remember, reading every day is very important. Today, I would just want us to quickly do, the story of Naughty Monkey. We will solve these textual exercises. What were the men doing in the forest? What were the men doing in the forest? The men were working in the forest. Correct? What were the men doing in the forest? The men were working in the forest. Why did the men stop working? Now, why did the men stop working? The answer is here. The men were tired. After the hard work, they stopped working. Okay? Because they were tired, they needed to take a break, so they stopped working. What did the men do when they stopped? What did the men do when they stopped? They took out the saw and put a wedge. What is the spelling of wedge? W-E-D-G-E. Wedge. They put a wedge in the log, right? Who was very naughty? Who was very naughty? The baby monkey was very naughty. Who was very naughty? The baby monkey was very naughty. Mark the sentences true or false. Correct the false sentences, write them in your notebooks. So this you can do and write it in your notebooks. A. The old monkey was naughty. This is false. What is the right sentence? The baby monkey was naughty. Who was naughty? The baby monkey was naughty. 3 men, B. 3 men were cutting the wood. Is it true? False. How many men were cutting the wood? You will have to correct it and write it in the copy. This comes in exams also. But this time, of course, it may not come, but you will be asked to identify. 2 men were cutting the wood. The log of wood was quite small. The log of wood was quite small. Was it small? No. The log of wood was, how is the log of wood? They were cutting a huge log of wood. So this is again false. Huge log of wood. The monkey did not listen to his mother. Isn't that right? True. This is true. No change. But you will still write the sentence in the copy. Also, this will help you for your reading and writing practices. The monkey did not listen to his mother. The monkey jumped up onto the log. The monkey jumped up onto the log. This is true. Okay. So, wherever it is false, you will correct the sentences, write it in the copy, show it to Neha ma'am. Very important. Even your grammar copies I want to see. And then the monkey did not listen. The sentences which are true, you do not have to do anything. We will now go to the worksheet for the day, which is the Naughty Monkey worksheet. Today's date is 13. Write section first E and write your name in cursive writing here. Okay. And you have to do the reading along with Neha ma'am. No matter what, you will do the reading along with Neha ma'am. Tick the correct answer. Once again, tick the correct answer. Where were the 2 men working? Again, tick the correct answer. Where were the 2 men working? 1 in the park, in the forest, in the school. So where were the 2 men working? In the park, in the forest, in the school. They were working in the forest. Always put a tick on the number as I am doing. Get into the practice of doing the way I am solving the worksheet. This is how I would want you to solve your worksheet of concept test. Who ran, jumped and danced on the log? Who ran, jumped and danced on the log? A lion, a deer, the baby monkey. A lion, a deer, the baby monkey. It was the baby monkey. What were the men cutting in the forest? What were the men cutting in the forest? A log of wood, the rod, an apple. They were cutting a log of wood, which is also called a piece. Write yes or no. The naughty monkey listens to his mother. N O no. The log of wood was quite huge. Yes. The monkey's tail got cut. No, it just got trapped. The old monkey was naughty. No. Who was naughty? Baby monkey was naughty. Identify the pictures and fill in the missing vowels. Now what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, Remember, A says a, E says exercise, exercise, I says achu, achu, O says o, U says up, up, umbrella. Here it will come SAW, saw. And this is a wedge which has been put into a wood. Answer the following question. Why did the men stop working? The men were tired. Can you see how I am writing? Same way you will write. The men were tired, so they stopped working. Please write question and answer. Full stop. Who pulled out the wedge? The baby monkey pulled out the wedge. Choose the correct moral of the story. We should listen to our parents. We should not listen to our parents. This is right. Always listen to your parents. Complete it and send it across to Neha ma'am. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.